God is the Big
All
Bang,
right.
bang, bang. In the beginning, there was
S
a great
stands for the
search.
second law of
R
thermodynamics.
equals radiation.
The U stands for universe expanding, and R is for radiation from the Big Bang, bang, bang. The third line of the scientific evidence that the universe had a beginning was discovered by accident in 1965. That's when Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson detected strange radiation on their antenna at Bell Labs in Holmdel, New Jersey. No matter where they turned their antenna, this mysterious radiation remained, and they initially thought it might be the results of bird dropping deposits on their antenna by nesting Jersey Shore pigeons. So they had the birds and the droppings removed, but when they got back inside, they found that the radiation was still there and it was coming from all directions. What Penzias and Wilson had detected turned out to be one of the most incredible discoveries of the last century, one that would win them the Nobel Prize. These two Bell Labs scientists had discovered the afterglow from the Big Bang fireball explosion, technically known as the cosmic background radiation. This afterglow is actually light and heat from the initial explosion. This light is no longer visible because its wavelength has been stretched by expanding universe to wavelength slightly shorter than those produced by a microwave oven, but the heat can still be detected. As early as 1948, three scientists predicted that this radiation would be out there if the Big Bang really did occur. But for some reason, no one attempted to detect it before. Penzias and Wilson stumbled upon it by accident nearly 20 years later. When the discovery was confirmed, it laid to rest any lingering suggestions that the universe is eternal steady state. Agnostic astronomer Robert Jastrow put it this way: no explanation other than the Big Bang has been found for the fireball radiation. The clincher, which it has convinced almost the last doubting Thomas, is that the radiation discovered by Penzias and Wilson has exactly the patterns and wavelengths expected for the light and heat produced in the Great Explosion. Supporters of the steady state theories have tried desperately to find an alternative explanation, but they have failed. And at the present times, the Big Bang theory has no competitors. In effect, the discovery of the fireball radiation burned up any hopes in the steady state atheists. But that wasn't the end of the discoveries. More Big Bang evidence would follow. In fact, if cosmologically were the football game, believers in the Big Bangs would be called piling on with the next discovery. I'm sorry I killed that analogy, I'm sure, but we get it. They see the radiation from the Big Bang. It's proof, it's evidence. God bless.